Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. In this tutorial today we'll see how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code and run a Java program within 2 minutes. To set up Java in Visual Studio Code, we'll go to others plugins. In plugin here we'll search in extension will search here Java. So in Java, once you search, it will show the list of extension. You can see extension, the first extension you have to choose extension pack for Java. This is a pack of 7 extensions. So click on install. It contains all the related extension needed for Java to run in Visual Studio Code. So now we have installed Java extension. Now let's go to here. Now you can see this create Java project is here. We now can create a Java project and run it in Visual Studio Code. So let's write a very simple program and we'll see whether how is it executing. So now click on this create Java projects. Now it will ask to create a new Java project. So it is giving different options for creating Java project, whether it will be using any no build tools, or there will be using Maven, or there will be Gradle, Spring Boot. So this is a simple tutorial. We'll be using no build tools. Then it is asking where to store your Java project. We'll click on some folder, any folder will store it. Then we'll select location. Then it is asking for the what is the Java project name you should give. If you can give first Java program, you can write first Java program, then click on enter. Okay, so now you can see now it is here our first Java program is ready, and with that you can see all the one skeleton project is also ready. So click on this run, you can see now it is running. See, it's too too simple. If you want to check any 2-3 lines of code, you can see that also. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll write a very small program to swap two number using without using a third-party variable. Yeah, for that and we'll see how is it executing or not. Okay, so our first variable is int a is equal to 5. Then our second variable is int b is equal to 6. Now we need to swap b to a value, a to b value. So for that, what we will not use any third-party variable. So what we'll do, a is equal to a minus b, b is equal to a plus b, then a is equal to b minus a. Now let's print what is the output of av now. So now for printing will be the system.out.println. Just type sis. You can see the second one, sysout. Click on it. Now let's see. Now we'll print the value of a. Value of a is a. Similarly, we can print value of b is b. Now let's save it, then click on this run again. Now see, it's too simple. Now this value is printed. Now value of a is 6 and value of b is 5. Now Java program is working fine as Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching.